Hi Chris, thanks very much for the question, and I thought I'd do a quick video response to explain to you the difference. Now, you've said you've torn the door seal on your Samsung washing machine, and you've got a WW10N645RBWEU. Now, the first thing you need to be aware of, there are a couple of variations on the machine, but I've had a look and it looks like the door seal is the same on all of them. And I've put a link on the page for you to obtain either the genuine door seal or the patent door seal, because your question is basically the genuine door seal is 3 times more expensive than the patent door seal that's on the website. Now let me explain. When manufacturers produce a machine, they have a mold for the injection molding which produces the door seals, and the genuine ones are specifically there for that machine. But sometimes a manufacturer who produces door seals will decide to copy the genuine door seal and produce a cheaper alternative. Really, the difference between the two door seals is not a lot, apart from the bag it comes in, which will have Samsung on it. The actual quality of the door seals on the patent compared to the genuine, I have a problem identifying which is the genuine and which is the patent on occasions, because there is no difference really in them. If it's a poor quality one, then I can understand there would be differences, but normally these injection molding factories, when they're doing a copy, do a really good job. So in my honest opinion, answering your question, if it's 3 times more expensive, of course I would choose the cheaper alternative, which is going to save you money in the long term. I hope this answers the question for you. The link to the page I've created for you with all the parts to your machine, plus a couple of videos to show you how to install the new door seal, are on there as well. I hope all this information helps you. Good luck with your repair.